as it started to slow down, though, it became difficult.
Oh, that's not a bad delivery. Oh, that's a beauty from Shoaib Akhtar. It's going to get a couple of blokes just thinking about proceedings.
Look at that takeoff. And brought a smile onto Shoaib Akhtar's face. Jack Callis not smiling there.
He brought a snaffle that he has. It was the short delivery. It was going down the leg side a little bit. Matthew Hayden is disappointed as he strides away from the centre of City Field. Just a bit of glove there, Matty.
Oh, a lot of glove. Absolutely smashed it with my glove.
Matty wanted it there, he wanted it short. But just a bit late. Gone for 4.
20 for 1 it is.
Dilker, and there's a lot of people who've gone the whole life wanting to witness that. Never got to see it in the flesh. And here they are. There's a wicket.
Shoaib Akhtar.
Back to the combat.
Akhtar has struck. That's a big wicket. They needed to break that partnership. The partnership was going on really nicely. That was the answer. Pick up a wicket or two. Bit of extra pace, I think, from Shoaib.
Yeah, no extra pace there, and we saw a few in the first spell from Shoaib that really took off. That one to Callis, but that one there on to Sangakkara a little bit quicker and just helped it on its way and caught down there by Mahela Jayawardene. So they move on to 100.